Hi everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can build an agency website using AI. And for this tutorial we will use OpenCode, and here you can see that I have built an agency website using OpenCode, and this is completely free. And here you will get the option to add services, blog for your website, and here is also a contact page. And we also have an admin panel. So if I go to admin panel, so here you can see this is my admin panel. From here I can add pages, services, and also I can add the blogs from here. To make our agency website, we will need to use XAMPP, Composer, and Node.js. So first we will check in our system is XAMPP installed or not. So here you can see that in my system XAMPP is installed. If your system don't have installed XAMPP, just search here XAMPP, go to this link, and from here you can download XAMPP. Now we will check that is Node.js installed in our system or not. Just here type cmd, then here open the command prompt, here type node dash version, then press enter. So here you can see a version showing. So this means Node.js is installed in our system. If your system don't have installed Node.js, just search here Node.js. Then go to this link, and from here just click in download. Here Windows installer MSI, you can download Node.js. Now we will check Composer. Just I will type here Composer and press enter. Here you can see that it is showing a Composer version. This means our system have Composer, and if your system don't have Composer, just search here Composer, and from here you can download Composer for your. Installing Composer, Node.js, and XAMPP is simple like any other software. After installing software, we will go to just documents. Here in new volume D, I will create a new folder. I will give the name agency website, then press enter. So I will go to this folder, and here I will type cmd, then press enter. So here you can see that our command prompt, and again I will go to our browser. To make our agency website, we need to use an AI, and the AI will be opencode.ai. Just type here opencode.ai, then press enter. Here in opencode, just click in npm, and here you can see a command prompt. Just copy the command and just here paste the command prompt. Okay, then press enter. So we will back to our folder, and I will just delete the previous one. So in just few seconds our opencode will install in our system. So here you can see that OpenCode is installed in my system. I will just now type OpenCode, then press enter. An interface like this will show in your computer, and you can see that we are right now in build mode. And if I just press in tab, we will go to plan mode, and again if I just press in tab, we will be in build mode. So what plan mode and build mode actually do? Plan mode help us to make prompts and to make plan for our project, and build mode actually help us to build files and to code. So we will stay in plan mode, and I will just say him that I want to make a agency website for a digital marketing agency, and I want to build with admin panel, and there will be features like service from where people can make order for service, and there will be 5 pages like home, about us, contact, service, and blog. I want every section well designed, and footer and menu also include. So this will be our just basic prompt, and later I will update and also add customize section in admin panel named pages from where I will be able to make changes in pages of website. Just similar like WordPress. And also for blog page, keep option for adding blogs in admin panel with images, and use my SQL for database, and also use PHP. So this was our prompt. We are in plan mode and just press enter, and this will just take few minutes. And we have to do another thing, which is just we will just search XAMPP, and here just open the XAMPP. And in XAMPP, what we will do actually, in XAMPP, we will just turn on Apache and MySQL. So keep in mind, you have to turn on those settings and just close here. And this one is asking me few questions like, which PHP approach would you prefer for this project? I think that Laravel could be best. I would just choose Laravel. And here, which CSS framework would you like for the design? And the recommended one. And everything is okay. I will just press enter again. And if he needs to ask me a few questions, he will ask me and I will just answer. After our plan is ready, we will just go to build mode. Okay, so, and also make sure your plan is ready. Then we will just go in build mode and just we will command to make our website. Now I will just say that build my website and just tab to go in build mode and just press enter, and this will take 10 to 15 minutes. So I think that building our website is completely ready. And here you can see that in our new volume D and agency website folder, here OpenCode has created the project file OpenCode. So here we have done our work. So we are right now running the PHP server in my computer. And if I stop the server, I think that I will not be able to log in the website. So here is a link of our admin panel and a front end. And here is a login @example.com, and the password is our password. So what we will do, we will just copy again. So just I'll right now close both them, and here I will just back to here and just paste. Okay, so this one is the page. Okay, so Laravel, then home section, about, service. Okay, so this is our website. So I think that our homepage is not right now perfect. About section, let me check. So that is also not right now perfect. And here is service page. So our service page is okay. So then our blog page. Here is our blog page. Then contact. So OpenCode has created the 3 pages, and I will just also check the login. So here is our login. Then back here. Okay. So I will just command this time for homepage and about section page for both. And let me check for admin panel. Here, what to check our admin panel, I need to just cut here and just type admin, then slash. Okay, then just press enter. So no, for admin panel again, I will just back here and copy here. Okay, so I will just copy again. Then here I will just paste. So then enter. So here I have to just give my example admin @example.com. Let me check that it's if I'm making any mistake or not. Admin@example.com. So our password is again password, PSSWORD, password. So remember me, then login, and boom. So this is our dashboard for our website, and here is our pages. Like if we want to create a new page, so this is our option, and here is our service section. We can edit, customize, and everything as we want. So again, this one is the blog section and order section. So here I can control or monitor my complete website. So here is also a new section like a view website. So here is our website. So the problem is here like home page and about page. So I have to just fix both issue. Then I will just open the OpenCode. So here I will say him that everything is okay, but you need to build home page and about us page. Give complete standard structure for those pages, and also keep option for me to update any text or to update content and images. Also in hero section, keep image. Okay, and I will wait again. So here we can see that our website is right now ready. And if I just scroll down, so here is our marketing agency website, and here is a 5 and 6 pages. Here we are in about section, and so this one is service. Here are 2 services, but we can add the services with using admin panel. And here is our blog section. Then this one is contact page, so everything is okay. And here from admin panel you can go or my orders or logout. This is for admin actually. So here is our admin panel. If I just refresh, so here this one is dashboard, and here is pages. So from here I can add pages, like if I just type here I can add new pages. And here is a service section, so if I need to add any services, just I go here, add a new service. So this is very simple right now. And this one is a blog section, so I will just add a new blog and show you that how to add. So just title is how to get viral. Okay, so we will just SEO, and I'm not wasting time you're writing, just for tutorial purpose I'm showing you. Meta title, a lot of options here. So date is I'll just give 30 of 04 30, then 2004. This is just an example. Just now is publish status, then create a post. Okay, so enter a value. Okay, so valid date. Okay, so I will just keep here 30 3 5 0. I think here from here it will be easy. So if I just add here like today is 28, then 26 April, and this is time, so I will just give time, so it's perfect. Okay, so then create post. Okay, so this one is showing this successfully our blog post is created. So if I just go to website in blog section, and here you can see that how to get viral and today's date here. So this is the way to add any service or create any new pages. And here from here you can see the order and customers. And so this one is dashboard actually, and from here you can go to your site. Okay, so this was today's video, and I hope that you like this video. So subscribe to our channel and see you in next video.